Nayayabangan ako sa sulat niya, guys. I-remake ko lang. Momentum Art Gallery! Oy, tago mo yan! Pasusulat pa natin yan! Ang cute!
Basa yun eh.
Basa! Wiset! Good morning mga ka-momentum! This is our day 3. Pero day 2 ng paggawa. So yeah. Ito na kami. Dito kami sa Cabana 2. Yeah. And this is the wall that we left yesterday. Yesterday. Kasi gabi. Yeah, yesterday. And we will now continue our mural painting and the mural vlog as well for this wall. So, stay tuned. Alam nyo guys, kanina may sunrise na kaso bigla na namang tinakpan ng ulap yung dagat. Ayun, ang lakas. Maulan na naman. But, we are hoping that in the next few days, ay makikita na po natin. Sorry. We are hoping that in the next few days, makikita na po natin ang haring araw. But, right now, as you can see, it's so impossible. So, ayan. Next time na lang, haring araw. Grabe oh. Ano mo, hindi masyado kita ng phone ko, pero nakita ng mga mata ko. Ang taas ng araw sa dagat. But anyway, let's continue our mural painting for this area. Let's go! Let's go! So, ayan na guys. Ito siya pag ultra-wide. Yan na po yung ginagawa natin. So, medyo madilim siya, kaya ganito na lang natin. I'll be your lifeline tonight. Guwapings mo na mahal.
Sakto lang.
Hey!
Eh.
Guys, we are doing now the flowers. Ganda! All I dream of is you. All along falling so down. And falling, something tells me it's enough. You can say that I'm a fool. Yeah. Tingin ka sa cameraman. Hey! Ah! Pogi! They call. Yes, I think they call. Time-lapse natin, guys. So, ayan mga ka-momentum. We are now moving forward to our third room, which happened to be the Cabana 4. It just so happened, guys, that the Cabana 3 is not available as of the moment kasi pinaint po yung floor. Yan yung ating floor. Kaya medyo basa pa po doon. And actually, as you can see, umulan din. Kaya later, gagawin po natin yung 3. We just did first the 4, the Cabana 4, but this is going to be our third wall, and later I'm going to show you the after of the Cabana 2, which happened to be the second room that we finished here at Alaya Umiray Resort. So ayan, ito na po. Masyado ba mabilis, guys? Sorry man. Ito na po ang ginagawa natin mga ka-momentum, and still the arrow is not showing. It's so sad. Charot. Kasi guys, ayan o, marinig nyo ba yung tunog ng dagat? Ayun na yun kita. Basta mataas yung waves niya. Super. So anyway, let's do it mga ka-momentum. Tara! Let's paint! Okay guys, so what we're doing is the sketch for this wall. And actually guys, if you will notice, we are straight forward to the processes. Hindi ko na po masyadong pinapakita yung mga sketch because we actually had 16 rooms na gagawin po natin dito aside from the billiard area and the dining area. So I'm making sure that everything will be filmed under the the storage of my phone. So anyway, so ayan, for now we are doing the sketch, and later I'll be back if we are already doing the process of the painting, the whip, para sa whip na po. Okay? So ayan mga ka-momentum, again, thank you so much Ma'am Joyce for trusting us to do mural paintings for all of the rooms of the Alaya Umiray Resort. Maraming salamat po sa tiwala, at maraming salamat po because you let us beautify this plains. Kasi guys, sa totoo lang, super plain naman talaga ng mga walls, pero sobrang ganda ng place. Okay? Ma'am Joyce is just looking for additional touch of art inside of the rooms, and that's what we're doing. And actually, our goal is to beautify every room na mapupuntahan nyo po dito sa Alaya. Anyway guys, this is located here at Dingalan. Okay, I pronounced it right. Dingalan, Aurora. Yes, we are here at Aurora, mga ka-momentum. Going to be our day 3 today. So, ayan. Okay, mamaya na ulit. I'll be back later, mga ka-momentum. Babush! Ayan, mga ka-momentum. Nag-ano lang ako, nagluto lang ako. Ito na yung wait natin. Ang ganda, So, yeah. Anyway, magla-lunch lang po kami, and then later, magpa-continue na po kami. Okay? So, for now, this is our work in progress. Ang ganda, ang ganda. Love it.
Nakakit na ba yan?
Bye! Okay guys, it is already almost 5 p.m. and just to let you know, magla-lining lang kami.
Inaaning yung sarili.
Oh yes, I'm doing the lining now, you know. Just take a look. Nasa baba ako mag-line, hindi ako makikita. Later. Guys, good evening. It is already 7:30 at nag-move forward na po pala tayo dito sa ating fourth room, which is the Cabana 3 dahil nagkabaliktad po. Nauna po natin yung Cabana 4, yun po yung third room natin, and yung fourth room po natin yung Cabana 3. So sana hindi kayo naguluhan. But pang-apat na wall na po natin to na ginagawa dito sa Alaya Umiray Beach Resort. So ayan na po yung ating work in progress, and again we are doing all of the rooms. Okay, we will be doing mural painting for all of their rooms, for the Cabana rooms, for the suites, and that is for a total of 14 rooms. So ayan mga ka-momento, at this is going to be our day 3, technically day 2 ng ating paggawa. Okay, pero day 3 na talaga tayo dito kasi yung first day pahinga lang kami. So ayan, ito na po yung ginagawa natin mga ka-momentum. At maya-maya ay magpapahinga na din po kami around 8 p.m. Okay. At magko-continue po tayo ng mural vlog natin. And of course, some mural painting for tomorrow. Alright? So, dito po nagtatapos ang ating mural vlog for today. See you tomorrow mga ka-momentum. Papish. Good night.